Hello everyone, welcome back to Edilogo's Mind. Today I bring for you your favorite Mowgli, the extract from Jungle Book written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. He was a great writer, poet, novelist in English literature, and he got Nobel Prize in 1907 for his writing. Here in the extract we will see how a human cub adopted by an animal like wolf's family. So let's begin. The main character, the wolf's family, mother wolf, father wolf, and their two cubs, and Mowgli, the human boy, and of course the king of the jungle, Sher Khan, the tiger, and a sleepy brown bear, Baloo, and another, the Black Panther, that is Bagheera, and the leader of this pack of wolves, Akela. These are the characters, the uh, animal characters. With their name, we will start our story. One day, what happened? One family, husband, wife, and child, came to the jungle, put a tent, came for hunting. And by the way, the small baby gone into the jungle और वो भूले भटक के पूरा दिन जंगल में घूमते रहे और उसका घर छूट गया. In the evening, he reached to the cave of an wolf family, जहाँ पर मदर उल्फ से उसके दो कब उससे फीडिंग कर रहे थे. The human cub named Mowgli, दिन भर उसने घूमे हैं, कहीं पर उसने कुछ खाना नहीं खाया, उसको भूख लग गए थे. He too started feeding from the mother wolf. The mother wolf felt so kind of the human cub. The father wolf was wondered that was a human cub, but mother wolf had so much pity of the cub, and she decided to grow the human cub with their own cub. इन द मीन टाइम जंगल के राजा जो शेर खान, उसको भी पता चल गया है एक ह्यूमन कब के बारे में. Whole day he was also following that human cub, and at last he reached to the cave of the wolf's family and asked the father wolf, hand over this human cub. The father wolf denied because already the mother wolf decided that the cub belongs to them. They will grow that human cub. Then what happened? When everybody come to know about this human cub, there are so many rules in the jungles. The jungle is in India. In that jungle, the rules are: one, people will be not killed by any animal, and number two, the humans are danger for the jungle, for the animals. So both the things are contradictory in this case, but the human cub is very innocent. He has no paws, no sharp nails that he could harm anybody. Anyway, at night, the leader of the wolves called meeting, Akela. Akela called the meeting. The father wolf taken everybody along with his two cubs and the Mowgli also. They went to the meeting to join the meeting. Up on a high place, a small hilly rocky area. The leader Akila sat there and others settled down. Other 40, more than 40 wolves settled downwards of the hill. From the top, the leader spoke, "What you have decided?" to the father wolf. The father wolf told that they have decided to grown up the human cub. Everybody denied. One senior wolf came into the circle and just have a look to Mowgli and silently went to his place. Then Akila declared that at least 2 जन की सहमति होना चाहिए इसमें कि ह्यूमन कब एनिमल्स के साथ स्टे करेंगे इन द जंगल. इस बात पर कम से कम 2 people have to give voting except mother wolf and father wolf. दोनों को छोड़ के कम से कम 2 जन की सहमति होना चाहिए. Then only he will agree. So what happened? Everybody kept quiet. At that time, a new member entered in this meeting, Baloo, the sleeping brown bear. Everybody have a respect to Baloo because Baloo used to teach all the wolves cub the laws of the jungle. So when Baloo started speaking, everybody kept quiet. Baloo agreed that Baloo told the humans, "Look at the human cub. He was so innocent. He could not harm anybody. Maybe in future he will be support. He will be look after the animals, or he will be the power of the animals. But at present he he has no capacity to harm any animals." So he decided. He suggests to everybody, let the human cub keep with ourselves. So one vote got. Now Akila told, we need another voting. So what happened? Everybody look at each other. At that time, one black shadow came into the meeting, speaking like that. I have no right to come into your meeting and to speak, but still I am speaking. Who? That fellow? The Black Panther, Bagheera. Bagheera came into the meeting and spoke because Bagheera also a good friend of the pack of wolves. उसने भी कहा कि he also agreed to keep the human cub along with them. और जंगल रूल बोलते हैं किसी के बदले में कुछ प्राइस तो चाहिए. So one young wolf told, हाँ हाँ. One young hungry wolf spoke very soon, yes definitely. कुछ प्राइस तो होना चाहिए. So Bagheera told there was a fat bull just near half an hour far away from the meeting place, just killed now. Instead of keeping the allowing to keep the human cub with the wolves family, wolves के family के साथ मोगली के रहने के परमिशन के बदले में आप सबके लिए एक मोटे तगड़े बुल जो कि अभी अभी मारे हैं यहाँ से कम आधा किलोमीटर दूर है, क्या आप इस प्राइस के बदले में उस मोगली को रहने देंगे? तो एवरीबडी said yes. So mother wolf and father wolf become very happy. They stayed with the cub. Akila, Bagheera, Baloo stayed together, and all the other rest wolves all run away towards the bull for satisfy their hungerness. Now what? Here one character was there, Tabaki, the jackal. He was so cunning and he always feed on the extra, the leftover of the शेर खान. शेर खान के खाने के बाद जो बचता था वो तबाकी, वो जैकल खाते थे. तो वो हमेशा शेर खान को खबर देते थे उसके प्रे के बारे में, हंटिंग के बारे में, कि उधर एक शिकार है, इधर एक शिकार है, वो वहाँ ह्यूमन का बच्चा है. एवरीथिंग ही कन्वे द न्यूज़ अबाउट द जंगल टू द शेर खान, क्योंकि शेर खान शिकार करेंगे और उसके बाद उसको खाने को मिलेगा. जनरली शेर खान का एक चोट लगे थे, उसके एक पैर में चोट लगा था, वो लिटिल लेम है, लंगड़ा है, और इसलिए शेर खान इंसान के और बड़े जानवर के शिकार नहीं करते थे. वो सिर्फ कैटल का शिकार करते थे. और यहाँ ह्यूमन का एक छोटा सा बच्चा था, वो तो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर नहीं पाएंगे, तो उसका शिकार करना भी आसान था. तो जैकल हमेशा उसको इंस्पायर करते थे ह्यूमन काप के खबर दे के वो कहाँ है, कैसे है, वगैरह वगैरह. पर शेर खान अभी भी नाराज थे that the wolf family did not handed over him Mowgli. वो रात को भी पहाड़ के नीचे चिल्ला रहे थे कि handed me over the Mowgli, that is not your no purpose you are keeping that boy along with you. Anyway, other side Akila said to Baloo, train Sher Khan, train Mowgli very nicely, the jungle laws, everything you train, that is your responsibility. Akila, the leader of the wolves, told to Baloo the bear, आप आज से आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है मोगली को डिसिप्लिन बनाना, to know about the jungle laws, everything. So like that, Mowgli adopted by the wolf family, by the all the pack of wolves in the jungle. That is the Mowgli's story, first step into the jungle family. If you like my video, put the like button, share, and if you are new in my channel, subscribe Edulogo's Mind. Thank you very much. Till my next video. Bye bye.